I love cities that surprise you every time you turn a corner. Vancouver is one of those places. Rugged mountains of vibrant shoreline neighborhoods that feel handcrafted. This is an 8-minute map to moments guide for YouTube designed to move fast, look gorgeous, and make you want to pack your bag right now. Request gorgeous aerial 4K plus footage for each location so every moment feels cinematic. Discover Vancouver's most breathtaking spots and the best things to do at each map to moment style. Stanley Park is Vancouver's living postcard, a loop of seawall hugging deep blue water, ancient cedars like cathedral columns, and totem poles that tell stories older than the city. Start at Cole Harbor, roll onto the seawall, feel the city fall away as the ocean opens up. Activities: cycle or walk the full loop, kayak the perimeter for water-level intimacy and splashy close-ups. Don't miss an aerial circling the Lions Gate Bridge. Bridge to Park to Skyline is a cinematic must. Time it: sunrise on the seawall, mid-morning forest textures, golden hour bridge passes. Grab macro roots, moss, and carved faces. The Capilano Suspension Bridge is that heartbeat shot. Cables, canyon, epic granite walls. Walk for nervous laughter and footsteps that sell scale. Then climb into the treetops for layered forest shots that feel like you're floating. The cliff walk is the dramatic reward. Cantilever are glass and metal, hugging the cliffside with whisper-quiet views. Cut between vertigo wides and slow-motion textures, feet on boards, moss on granite. Add short ecology captions on interpretive trails. Request 4K plus aerials to emphasize canyon depth. Grouse Mountain feels like the city's rooftop, a sharp ascent from pavement to alpine air. Hike the Grouse Grind for sweaty kinetic sequences and victory at the top. Or take the gondola for a smooth cinematic ascent. At the top, panoramic city views drop into ocean and islands. Go wide, slow push-outs. Activities: zip lining, summer ropes, winter skiing, pack ropes, helmets, and whoops of excitement. Visit the Grizzly Refuge, with respectful distant frames that humanize conservation. Chase golden hour. The Burrard Inlet shimmer can feel otherworldly. Request gorgeous aerial 4K plus of the ascent and summit pass to sell altitude and scale. Lynn Canyon, a quieter cousin, intimate, green, handcrafted. A smaller, more personal suspension bridge. People pause mid-span. POV into clear canyon pools. Curl into mossy inclines. Layer close-up textures of moss, bark, and wet stone. Then reveal the wider gorge. Activities: swimming holes, slow pans on glassy water, slow-mo dives, sunbeams through trees. Respect safety and seasonal signage. A quick dip adds human tactile beats. Photograph narrow canyon walls. Tight aerial passes sing in 4K plus. Moment map, bridge reaction, pool dip sequence, trail close-ups, narrow canyon reveal. Request intimate canopy flyovers. Granville Island is a sensory overload. Loud, colorful, delicious. Start with stalls. Smoked salmon, radiant produce, and hands exchanging cash. Sell the human story. Wander artisan shops and galleries for maker portraits, hands at work, tools and textures. Activities: take a boat tour or rent a kayak. Request low-altitude 4K plus aerials over the island and False Creek to show city context. Kitsilano Beach is the city's chill zone. Sandy stretches and beach volleyball. The Kits Pool, iconic saltwater lanes with the skyline behind. Activities: paddleboarding, casual volleyball, sun-soaked lounging that sells the lifestyle. English Bay and the seawall are perfect for movement shots. Close-ups of sun-warmed sand and footprints keep it tactile. Moment map, golden hour beach aerial, saltwater pool laps, paddleboard glide, seawall motion passes. Request 4K plus aerials to capture the beach, pool lines, and skyline cohesion. Queen Elizabeth Park is a compact jewel, terraced quarry garden and vivid flower beds, plus a lookout that frames the entire city. Walk the terraces for tight, colorful shots. Inside, Blow Dell. Tropical contrast. Birds, palms, glasshouse reflections. Activities: stroll pathways, shoot couples and photographers candidly. Capture gardeners planting bulbs. Mix macro to wide transitions. Moment map, garden close-ups, conservatory bird moments, lookout reveal, terrace aerial passes. Request aerial passes over floral terraces with the city backdrop in 4K plus. Van Dusen is all about composition, themed gardens, unexpected plant palettes. And paths for slow exploration. Capture overhead patterns. These geometric aerials look like living tapestries. Activities. Join a guided tour. Use botanical signage for short facts. Micro moments. A hummingbird hovering due on magnolia, a gardener tending roses. Go handheld macro for petals, spines, and leaf textures. Moment map. Overhead bed patterns, seasonal blooms, tour VO beats, bird watching. Request 4K plus slow passes. English Bay and Sunset Beach are Vancouver's sunset stage. A long, sandy shoreline, cafes nearby. Color that explodes on good evenings. Time of day aerials are everything. Reflections on wet sand. Silhouettes pausing to watch. Activities. Cycle, or rollerblade, the seawall. Seasonal hits. Fireworks and festivals. Capture crowd reactions. Map the moment. Start ultra-wide ocean, slow push into a single subject, then sunset to city gradient. Request 4K plus dusk color. Science World's geodesic dome, an architectural exclamation point on False Creek. Especially striking with harbor reflections. Start with a dramatic dome reveal. Activities. Explore interactive exhibits. Keep energy high and curious. Outdoors. Walk or bike the seawall. Ride the aquabus, or kayak for paddle close-ups. Dockside restaurants at dusk. Juxtapose dome geometry with rippling reflections. Moment map. Dome aerial. Interactive highlights. Seawall motion. Aquabus and kayaks. Request gorgeous 4K plus harbor aerials. Thanks for watching. Which Vancouver spot will you visit first? Like, subscribe, and check the timestamps below to jump to each location. This was an 8-minute Map to Moments guide, built for cinematic direction and practical day-hit moments. Every location needs gorgeous 4K plus aerials to make the reveals sing. Request it. If you only have a morning, cycle the seawall, hit Granville Island, catch English Bay at sunset, and finish at Grouse for night lights. Thanks for coming along. Pack a camera, bring comfortable shoes, and ask for everything in 4K plus so your edits feel as bold as the city.